Welcome back to Aussie Buckets main distribution facility here in Truganina, Melbourne. My name is Riley and today we'll be walking around our auger kit out here. Now this auger kit out is going to come with a 5-year warranty, so let's check it out. Okay guys, so to start our walk around today of our auger kit out, we're going to start with the piece of the resistance, the Auger Drive. So if we move down here, this is our 8000 model. Now the 8000 in this, that's going to stand for the amount of Newton meters of torque that this thing's going to provide. So 8000 Newton meters of torque, perfect for getting through all that tough terrain, dirt, rock, whatever you're looking to get through. With any auger drive, you need a hitch. Now this hitch, we're going to have our cradle hitch, keeping it nice and straight. So the auger drive is going to sit here in the cradle, keeping nice straight holes when digging down. We've also got our double pin hitch offering, which is going to allow free movement of the auger drive, giving you a little bit more versatility on site. Now, the garden that is the auger bits behind me, we're going to have a range from 250 all the way up to your 600mm auger bits. Now, we're obviously going to be able to custom make anything you like as per every other attachment in our range. On this auger, we have our general earth teeth end pilot with combination and dedicated rock teeth end pilot available as well. So guys, that's going to wrap up our walk around of our auger kit out here today. If you're in the farming, fencing, landscaping industries, and you're looking for a high performance, efficient attachment that's going to stand the test of time, then please give us a call on 039917 8598 or head over to the website aussiebuckets.com.au and get in touch with one of our experts today.